Welcome back to Live Healthy Every Day, the channel where I empower you to take control of your health naturally and safely, especially after 60. Today's topic may surprise you. Are the very vitamins you're taking to protect your health actually hurting your legs? If you're over 60 and experiencing leg cramps, muscle weakness, or trouble walking, two common vitamins might be the hidden cause. Stay with me, because I'll not only reveal what these two vitamins are, but also explain why they can backfire and how to fix the problem starting today. As we age, it's common to feel a gradual decline in leg strength. You might notice difficulty climbing stairs, cramping at night, or muscle fatigue even after short walks. These issues are often blamed on aging, but they're not always just old age. Sometimes it's a vitamin imbalance that's silently eroding your leg strength. Certain vitamins, while essential, can become harmful if taken in the wrong amounts or forms, especially fat-soluble vitamins that store in your body and build up over time. Let's dive into the two worst offenders. First up, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin everyone says you must take. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Too much vitamin D can actually cause more harm than good. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, great for bones, right? But when it's over-supplemented, especially in people over 60, it can lead to calcium buildup in soft tissues, including your muscles, tendons, and blood vessels. This is known as soft tissue calcification, and it can cause painful muscle cramps, lead to stiff joints and tightness in the legs, and interfere with muscle contractions, making walking harder. Most people only need 600 to 800 IU of vitamin D per day. Yet many supplements provide 2,000 IU or more, every single day without checking blood levels. Here's my tip. Always test your blood levels before supplementing long-term. You want to stay in the optimal range, not too low and not too high. Now let's talk about the second silent culprit, vitamin A, especially in its retinoid form, commonly found in animal-based foods, multivitamins, and liver supplements. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, vitamin A is fat-soluble, meaning your body stores it, and it builds up over time. Chronic overconsumption of vitamin A can lead to muscle pain and cramping, fatigue, bone thinning, ironically increasing your fracture risk, and liver strain. In older adults, high vitamin A can interfere with muscle repair, making it harder to recover after physical activity, and leading to weakness in the legs. The tolerable upper limit for adults is 3,000 micrograms of retinol per day. Some people take more without even realizing, especially if they consume liver, cod liver oil, or multiple supplements. My tip, choose beta-carotene-based sources from plants like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach, which the body converts only as needed. So what can you do right now to protect your legs? First, get tested. Ask your doctor for a blood test to check vitamin D and vitamin A levels before supplementing. Second, stick to safe doses. Vitamin D, 600-800 IU a day. Vitamin A, stay well under 3,000 micrograms per day unless supervised. Third, focus on food-first nutrition. For vitamin D, get sunlight, eat fatty fish like salmon and eggs. For vitamin A, go for orange vegetables, dark leafy greens, and fruits. Fourth, improve mineral balance. Overdosing on vitamin D can deplete magnesium, another key mineral for muscle relaxation. Make sure you're getting magnesium and potassium, especially from leafy greens, bananas, and legumes. And finally, exercise your legs. Movement helps prevent cramps and keeps muscles flexible. Walking, light squats, chair exercises, resistance bands. Just 15-30 minutes a day makes a massive difference. Listen to your body. If you're experiencing frequent night cramps in calves or thighs, muscle tightness, difficulty walking upstairs or getting out of chairs, or pins and needles in your legs or feet, it's time to check your vitamins. Oversupplementation might be silently working against you. Thanks for joining me on Live Healthy Every Day. Take care of your legs and they'll carry you for many healthy years to come.
Leg cramps and muscle weakness aren't just caused by excess vitamins. In fact, some of the most important minerals for muscle function are often deficient in people over 60, and that's the missing puzzle piece most people overlook. Let's explore 3 essential minerals that can make a huge difference in your leg strength, mobility, and recovery. Magnesium plays a crucial role in helping muscles relax. When levels are low, your nerves can send the wrong signals to your muscles, triggering sudden spasms or cramps, especially at night. Signs of magnesium deficiency include eye twitches or muscle tics, nighttime leg cramps, and persistent fatigue. Best natural sources of magnesium: pumpkin seeds, almonds and lentils, dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard, whole grains and oats. Adults over 60 typically need around 320 to 420 milligrams of magnesium per day, depending on gender and overall health. Potassium helps maintain proper electrical activity in muscles, ensuring they contract and relax as they should. A deficiency can cause irregular muscle firing, fatigue, and painful cramps. People on low-sodium diets, diuretics, or those who sweat heavily are particularly prone to low potassium. Top potassium-rich foods: bananas, sweet potatoes, oranges, black beans, watermelon, squash, and unsweetened yogurt. Aim for 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams of potassium daily, but talk to your doctor if you have kidney issues, as excess potassium can be risky with reduced kidney function. Many seniors are told to take more calcium for bone health, but when you're already getting too much vitamin D, as we discussed earlier, calcium can deposit in the wrong places, like your muscles or joints. That's why food-based calcium is a better choice than high-dose pills. Great dietary sources of absorbable calcium: sardines with bones, salmon, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, kale, and collard greens. And remember, calcium works best when balanced with magnesium, vitamin K2, and regular movement to guide it into your bones, not your soft tissues. In summary, staying strong after 60 isn't just about avoiding the wrong vitamins. It's about getting the right minerals. Magnesium, potassium, and calcium, in the right balance, are critical to keeping your legs cramp-free, steady, and strong. Many people over 60 take a handful of vitamins every day to protect their health. But without realizing it, they may be making critical mistakes that slowly weaken their legs, harm their balance, and increase fall risk. Let's break down the most common missteps and how to fix them. It's a familiar story. One multivitamin in the morning, a separate D3 supplement after lunch, a calcium tablet in the evening, which might include added vitamin A or K. Individually, these seem fine, but when you add it all up, you might be getting 3,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D, way over the daily recommendation, consuming too much vitamin A without realizing, and missing key minerals like magnesium completely. Fix it. Read every supplement label. Total up your daily intake, especially of fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, which accumulate in your body over time. Some people think, I'm still feeling leg pain, maybe I need more vitamin D, and they double or triple the dose. That's a dangerous mindset. You don't always feel the effects of a vitamin right away, and if your body already has enough, taking more won't help. It might actually make things worse. Liver strain, muscle cramps and bone pain, electrolyte imbalances. Fix it. Get a blood test before increasing your dosage. Especially for fat-soluble vitamins, guessing is risky. Vitamins are support tools, not miracle workers. If you're taking all the right pills but sitting all day, eating processed, low-nutrient foods, not moving your legs regularly, then your muscles will still weaken. Fix it. Support your supplements with daily action. Walk 15 to 20 minutes a day. Do simple leg strengthening moves like sit to stands or mini squats. Eat fresh, whole foods, especially leafy greens, fruits, and lean protein. When combined with movement, vitamins work smarter, not harder. And you'll notice a difference in strength, balance, and energy within weeks. Your legs are more than just limbs. They represent your independence, freedom, and vitality as you age. Don't let simple mistakes undermine all your efforts to stay strong. If this video has helped you understand your body better, consider subscribing to Live Healthy every day, leaving a comment to share your experience, or sharing this video with someone who may be struggling with leg pain or balance issues. Your health journey matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way.